CUK Stratos Micro Gaming Desktop Ryzen 5, 512GB NVMe SSD. Review Deal Discount Unboxing Setup. I purchased this as a laptop replacement since I did not think I needed the portability anymore. I was overall happy with the performance and aesthetics of the machine. I was not happy with the lack of fan control, as they were always very loud and I live in a small one-bedroom apartment which proved to be disruptive. I was also expecting Wi-Fi connectivity as it was on the listing, but this was not the case. I ultimately ended up returning this product as I wanted something more compact and portable, and did not want to invest in USB Wi-Fi connectivity. I also could not handle the fan noise. The machine is certainly a powerful one and is a good value for the specs IMO. I needed a new computer because my old point was slowly dying. I chose this one in hopes that it would be faster for 3 high-graphic games I enjoy. It has much more than fulfilled my hopes. Microsoft Office loaded in less than a minute and my were loaded almost instantaneously. Game performance is great. I'm a very happy camper. I reviewed several gaming pieces and I saw a lot of mixed reviews and I was skeptical about getting one until I came across this one. This PC is amazing, it's quiet, runs smooth, and was packaged professionally. Also it plays all the games I want with ease, so I'm really glad I found this one. All I can say is wow. What a deal. The quality in the build, the RGB keyboard and mouse is off the hook. It's nice and tidy too. No loose wires in the case. It looks awesome with all the RGB modes going. CUK Stratos Micro AMD Gaming Desktop. Ultimate gaming performance in a max case. Step up your games with the ultimate gaming PC, the CUK Stratos Micro. The Stratos Micro packs all the features of an ATX system in a max size. With a smaller footprint, the CUK Stratos Micro will give you back more desk space without sacrificing style and maximum PC performance. Budget-friendly. Featuring AMD Radeon Vega 11 graphics. AMD Ryzen 5 3400G quad-core. 6x high airflow and pressure PWM